Chef Todd Leonard, UVU Culinary Arts Kitchen. We're in Restaurant Forte, where we just installed a new Proline oven. Are you kidding me? A residential oven in a professional kitchen? Why? Because it's a professional stove. Guess what? Breakfast, steak, line cooking, to order cooking, saute station. I got a 48-inch range with 8 fire burners, all ready to rock and roll. Look at the veggies. Look at the caramelization. Piece of cake. Now we're going to make an omelet, okay? So the cool thing about this stove is the diversity of the BTUs. I can go really hot. I can go really, really low. So I've got it on the big burner on low. We've got some eggs. Put it right in the pan. Now on eggs, we don't want any brown. So you've got to have a stove that can reduce its heat without getting my eggs too cooked. So right now I've got this on low, but look at the high, low, high. Such a cool burner. So this is going to be perfect. The key to a perfect omelet is the right stove and the right pan. We've got the right pan. We're going to see right now if we got the right stove. I got my filling already ready, all sauteed. Perfection. I'm just keeping that warm on one of my small burners, lower BTUs, and it's just on medium, and it's just keeping it nice and sizzling. Okay, so to make your fluffy omelet, we're going to start to coagulate. We're going to pull that in. We're going to get all that coagulated egg into the middle. You can see, if this was hot, it would be spattering and spitting and creating quite a mess. And this is just cooking that egg nice and slow so I can develop wonderful flavors and wonderful layers of fluff. Okay? Only on the Proline are you going to get the diversity of heat temperatures with 3 distinct levels of heat, from small, medium to large. And our large heater burners, oh baby, you'll never notice that you're not wasting all that gas because it's so powerful. Okay, so check it out. Now my omelet's cooking. I'm just doing the tuck and roll. Tuck all that uncooked egg underneath to create new layers. Look how cool that is. And the good thing is because these grates are elevated, none of my stainless steel is going to burn. You can see the elevation on those grates. We've specifically designed those to bring your pans up just a little bit so that you're not burning your stove, so that your showpiece oven, this Proline, in your kitchen always looks perfect. Okay, that egg's ready, that omelet's ready to flip. Boom. So now I'm just going to flip that bad boy. Boom. Done. If you're nervous and you can't flip the omelet and it goes all over your stove, guess what? We've designed the porcelain for easy cleanup. Take the grate off, easily wipe that down. We've sealed every crack and crevice for your convenience. Cleaning? No problem. Pull the grates off, wipe it down, put the grates back on, you're back in business. Showtime, people. You always want a nice show kitchen. There it is. Check out our omelet. Just like that. Perfect omelet, perfect stove. Chef Todd Leonard, UVU, Chef Professor, cooking on the Proline range right here in Salt Lake City, Utah. You too can be a professional. Oh, baby.